Hey, what's up, fellas? Probably this is going to be the first video that I will post on YouTube, but I'll try to do more and to show you how I'm fixing cars. So I'll start here. This is a 2006 or 7, if I'm not wrong. It's a turbocharged engine, 2.5 liters. This is a bad engine right here. We have another one that it's working good, so I'll just do swap. I'm not going to fix this engine. So this time I'll take the whole front out just to get the engine out with transmission, of course, and we'll have the same problem. You can try to do my way. If not, then you can just put it down the whole suspension, but that's taking a lot, and probably that's harder. So anyway, let's begin. Good luck to me. So just let's do it. Good luck to everybody. Feeling special right now. Let's do it. So first we're gonna take headlights out, bumper cover, and then the whole radiator support and the radiator, and that's it. After this we have the whole access to get the engine out. So here's the bolt for the oil and the hose for the coolant is right here, like you see. Probably this is the original coolant because it's transparent, it doesn't have color. So usually on the original coolant from Volvo it doesn't have color. I don't know about the new one, but the old Volvos are kind of the same. So yeah, that's the problem here. Probably this guy drove the car with a cracked oil pan, so probably that was the reason why the engine go bad. Transmission looks new, probably they changed it. This car has 98,000 miles. the intake out, or this is intake air, this is intake. Then we get the fan out, and then we get the radiator out. After we're going to clean, we're gonna get the coolant tank is right here because we need to get the mount out. We're gonna get the battery, the whole hose is out. So probably if I'll have the enough space to get the engine out only, then I will do it. If not, I will get the transmission too. So probably another hour and I will get the engine out. So I need to take the mount, this one and this one, and we have another one in the middle down there. So and probably we have left axles. I'm not getting the suspension out because that's the reason why I'm taking out the radiator and whole front, and I'm not taking the suspension down. I really don't like to do that, so that's my opinion, guys. That's the way I work, and I'm not the best person, probably I'm not the professional, but that's my way to work. Here we go. That's the engine. I'll separate from the transmission. I'll take the whole wire harness out. I'll take the starter. I'll leave the alternator because it's good, and I'll clean up. I'll replace the plastics. So this engine, it's going with that transmission, and then we're gonna put it up right there. That's the plan. So it's ready, and I'm putting back now. I connected the starter, flywheel inside with here 2 hours left. I connected everything, like coolant hoses here, the exhaust pipe, diffuse box. I have left the radiator, so probably another 2 hours and the car will be ready to go. So I just finished with the radiator. I have left only the battery, some wires, and the ECM, engine control module, is right here with the intake. I connected all the hoses, like right there, and here it's almost done. So it's almost really done. I put the coolant intake. So like I said, we have some couple of minutes left here. I put the radiator, all the hoses, the intake cooling air system is right there. So when you take it out, the radiator, you have 2 bolts, one here and one here. So the same on the other side, you take the hoses out, the cooling one is right there, and right here one, and the same for the air. And I can put the coolant, and it's almost ready to go. I have some wires and the ECM, the engine control module left here, and the battery. So it's almost done. So guys, I'm done with engine. Everything is done here. Probably I just have to put the headlights, bumper, and the fender liners back, and if it's, of course, if it's good. But put a coolant, a power steering fluid, and the engine oil. Of course, let's start it. First start. Yeah, here we go, my friend. The engine is working. Probably some lights will come out because of the wires are not on, but works fine. So guys, the car is running. I have a bad pulley that is making noise. And I have also low brake fluid. So that's the only thing that I have, like a problem right now. But I mean, in general, the car is driving well. So guys, I replaced the pulley. It's right here. Now we don't have any problems. The engine is running, working well. So like I said, if you guys want to take out the engine down, then there is 2 ways. There is to take the bumper, headlights, and the radiator out, or you just put the whole suspension down and you can take the engine out. It depends the way you want to do and you think will be easier for you. So if you have any questions, you can write down in the comments any question. I will be there, I will answer, so let me know. if that was that's helping you guys.